Hello there, this is a video on how to get the x and y intercepts for a line in 2 dimensions. So what we have is a line of the form y equals mx plus c. And this line is going to hit the x and y axes. And we are looking for the coordinates where this line hits those axes. Now with this vertical line over here, x is going to be equal to 0. So we set the x coordinate as 0 for this point over here. And with this line over here going horizontally, y is going to be equal to 0. Okay, so we set the y coordinate as 0 for this point over here. Now, if we want the y coordinate for this point, we set x is equal to 0 for this equation. And if we want the x coordinate for this point over here, we set y is equal to 0 for this equation. Now, when x is equal to 0, y is simply going to be equal to c. Okay, so we know that this point over here is going to be 0, c. Okay, now what happens when y is equal to 0? Well, when y is equal to 0, you're going to get mx plus c is equal to 0. This is going to imply that mx is equal to minus c. Therefore, x must be minus c over m. Okay, so this point over here to the left becomes minus c over m 0. Okay, and this is how we find the x and y intercepts for a line in 2 dimensions. Now, to see if the abstract algebra is true, you can use a graphing app like Desmos to check your results. So as you can see here, I can check if those points are indeed 0c and minus c over m 0. And I can fiddle about with this graph to see if the results ever change. Now, because everything is consistent, I know that this theory is true. Okay, 4 straight lines. If you'd like to play around with this exact graph, you can do so by clicking the link to Desmos below this video. If you have any questions in regard to this maths, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Stay tuned for more GCSE and A-Level maths videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.